Hello student, today you're going to be working on reviewing on time, learning time, money, and calendars. You're going to be looking at some packages that I'm going to be posting on here. You don't have to print it out. If you have a printer, if you want to print it out, it's fine, but you don't have to. You can just look at it. Sometimes there's for money, there's a pouch and they have the coins on there. And what you're going to do is you're going to figure out how much is in the pouch, or how much money is in the piggy bank, or how can you make 35 cents to fit in the piggy bank. So let's practice using that money package, and so that you can learn how to use money. Also for time, there's also going to be giving you some time videos to look at, or some time packages for you to work on. At the same way, you don't have to print it out. You can just look at it and just try to work on it on the computer and practicing. You don't have to hand me anything. You're just practicing it so that you can know how to tell time. What's the difference between an hour, half an hour, and what's the time lapse. You can practice on that. And then also calendar. You're going to be working on calendars and how to figure out how to use a calendar. Now, these things are not something that you have not learned. We already learned time in class before, and we learned you've been doing worksheets on money and calendar. We've been talking about calendar every week in our classroom. So the first thing can be talk about coins. So like I said before, take your time today to review and combining money with all the different coins. I'm sure you have some coins in your house. You can use that. And then I have packages for you to identify. Time, I post two things. I'm not sure if it's going to go through, but I'm going to post extra on here as well, so that the link, so you can go to it. You don't have, like I said, you don't have to turn anything for me. It's just for you to practice so that you can learn how to tell times. And then calendar. Calendar, we already talked about there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and go back to January. So 12 months in a year. And there are 365 days in a year. And also, we go back. So there's 365 days in a year, and there are 12 months. And in the 12 months, in the months, there are 7 days a week, starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it goes back. So 7 days. You have 7 days a week. Okay, each day, there are 24 hours in a day. So let's say today was Tuesday. I'm recording this on Tuesday night. So 7 days from now, it will be next Tuesday. What's next Tuesday's date? Can anyone tell me? So you can figure out it's probably on the 6th, April 6th. So it'll be 7 days from today. So you can count 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 7th day, it's 7 days from the day that you were today, or from the days that you started with. Okay, so you're going to be working on that in your student workbook, which is the big red book. You guys know your big red book, math book. You can work on that. So that's something for you to be working on. It's a review. We haven't started on measurement yet. I noticed some of you started. It's okay. That means you're ahead. You worked ahead. It's fine. But this week, so at the end of next week, you're going to be taking a test for chapter 8. I think we're on chapter 8. So you're going to be taking chapter 8 for money, time, money, and calendar. So you're taking a test on that. I posted, if you want to start ahead of time, I posted already on the schedule. I posted the questions for the cumulative test for the front and the back. They have questions already for you to read and answer. And the green test, they already have the question for you. You can read and answer it. And you guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work you're doing, and I'm glad that parents are helping. I know you're stressing out. Like I said, try to do a little bit at a time. I have, until next week for the things for math to be done for chapter 8. Just work on that. When we come back from spring break, which we will work on the next chapter. Okay? And I'm going to move on a little bit faster. Well, maybe. I'll think about it. I don't want to know. I wanted to see how well we can finish this. But anyway, you're doing a great job and keep up the great work. So, right here I posted for the workbook on page 328 to 398. I'm not sure it was 398. Have to look at my book again. I think my book is, well, let me see. I'm not sure it's 398. Before I give you a false number here, let me figure it out. 328. It's not 328. Just the whole section of chapter 8. So I think we left off, so it is 387. Sorry, it's 387 to 398. So I'll change that on the daily weekly thing. And the test is on 397 to 404. If you want to start it, you feel confidence that you already know, you're ready for it, you can take the test, and that's fine for me. Just post it and I will check on it. Okay? So let's work on that. And I think that's the end of my video. So thank you. If you have a question, just text me back.